Hi, I'm Naren from AB English 1A. My Professor Virginia Cruz. I discuss about the Filipino scientist and his contribution in the field of science. Dr. Angel C. Alcala is a Filipino biologist who most interested in the marine biology, known for his fieldwork to build sanctuaries and promote biodiversity in the aquatic ecosystem of the Philippines. He grew up at Cauayan Negros Occidental, a place near where agriculture, fish pond, and oceans, wherein their family depended on the ocean for its resources, either in providing food or item to sell. That's why Dr. Alcala is into marine biology because from a kid came from a low-income family and studied hard to fulfill a dream that he never expected to happen. He was accredited with many research accomplishments and improvement regarding environmental management, marine conservation, and discovery of new species. His works consisted of restoring or preserving areas with predominant wild, large predatory fish population near a small marine sanctuary at Apo Island in the Philippines. His goal was to sustain hospitable conditions in this sanctuary throughout the duration of his research. Another research element Alcala incorporated in his study is associating the species survival rate of large predatory fish with available ocean terrorists around reefs and fisheries. Uh, he experimented with his team to conserve coral reefs and other marine resources. And their no-take experiment and his team tested the mobility of fish species when humans were forbidden from fishing in these areas. By doing so, they discovered that the species abundance in the area declined while pushing the boundaries of the residents to further reaches. These findings provide evidence that conservation of these species and coral reefs not only slow the species decline in the number, but also the growth in habitat for all marine life. Alcala also worked with Dr. Edgardo Gomez to protect the lives of giant clams in the Philippines. He worked alongside with him to assess the organism status in 1983. After thorough evaluation of the Linao waters, they learned that the numbers were insufficient. Along with his many other accomplishments, his work has led to the discovery of 15 new species of reptiles and amphibians. In other words, more than 10% of all the reptiles and amphibians in the Philippines are known today because of his work. Three species of Philippine snakes are named in his honor, like Codon alkali and Opistropis alkali. That's all for today, and thank you.